Hi you guys, this video is brought to you by Gigy Hair. I'm going to be installing their Kinky straight clip-ins in the length 22 inches. Now this is what the hair looks like after I already washed and conditioned it and let it air dry overnight. It came with 10 clips, which is good enough for a full head. Now this is what the texture looks like up close. The ends are a little bit straight, as you guys can see. I also wanted to show you guys how I'm going to prep the hair before I install it. I don't know if you guys can see, but my blow dryer does have combs on it. I wanted to see how straight I could get it with the blow dryer after I already washed and conditioned it, but I feel like the blow dryer really did make a difference, to be honest. But as you guys can see, the hair has so much body to it. And if I forgot to mention, the clips are double weft. This is what they look like up close. And this is what they also look like when you clip and unclip them. They were so easy to install. I'm going to take this olive oil hair polisher and put it on each piece before I end up flat ironing it. Now, the hair isn't completely straight how I wanted it from the blow dryer. So I'm just going to take my flat iron and go through with a couple passes. And even with a couple passes with the flat iron, it still didn't get completely straight, which I actually liked because I still wanted it to have a little bit of texture, because when I flat ironed my hair to prepare for the clip-ins, my hair still had a little bit of texture. So I did so that it could blend as much as it could. Now this is what the hair is pretty much looking like so far after I already went through and did a couple of passes. Like I said, it's not completely straight, but I liked it. And now this is what the hair is looking like after I flat ironed all of them. This hair has so much body and it's so easy to run my fingers through. This hair so far is A1. So this is what my hair is looking like before I install the clip-ins. Now you guys are just going to be seeing me part my hair down the middle from the side, just to make sure that it's not in the way, because I really wanted to start in the back. Now I will say, when I first started to install these clip-ins, I was a little bit worried because I just cut my hair to make sure that it was even before I put these in, and I didn't want it to be too noticeable when I put the clip-ins in, but honestly everything ended up working out in the end. So yeah, here you guys are just going to be seeing me part the hair. Now I will also say that I wish I would have started a little bit lower in parting my hair where I first put my first clip-in in, but everything still ended up working out really cute in the end. So for the rest of the video, you guys are just going to be seeing me parting my hair and putting the clip-ins in. I tried to give you guys a good of a view as I could when I tried to install them and give you guys a good view on what they look like from the back. I really did try my best, but I couldn't really see because my mirror was from the side. But yeah, I'll come back when I'm completely done. So as I was reaching the top, I noticed that I didn't really have much room left, and the clip-ins that I had left were a little bit too big, so I ended up cutting one of the clip-ins just so that it could fit in between and blend in with my hair. I do have a little bit of heat damage right there. If you guys can see, it's a little bit shorter than the other side, so I had to make that clip-in a tad bit smaller so that it could fit in there, so that I was able to blend it in with my hair and make it look like the other side. So yeah, I just took the same clip in and clipped it again because I wanted it to be a little bit shorter than it was. I didn't want it to be so long. So yeah. So for my edges, I'm just going to take Edge Booster and slick my edges back. At first, I started to do like this little swoop edge, but it wasn't working out because I hate when my makeup meshes with my edge control and then it starts looking weird. So I just ended up slicking all of my edges back, and I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. After I was completely done, I actually noticed that on the floor there was 3 more clip-ins left. So I just went ahead and found some random spots in the front because that's where I wanted to really fill in and make it more full. And I just added them to add a little bit more fullness, and you guys are just going to be seeing me do that in the next clip. You guys could leave it straight like this. Personally, I wanted to jazz it up a little bit. I first went in my hair with some flat iron curls, but I didn't really like how it was looking. As you guys can see, the few curls that I had right there. So I went in with some wand curls because I wanted my curls a little bit tighter. So now you guys are just going to be seeing me put my wand curls in. So this is the finished result, you guys. Do you guys like it curled, straight? I personally like it curled. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Don't forget to also comment, like, and subscribe, and can't wait to see you guys in my next video.